In the botanical world, reproduction is survival. But the most consumed fruit on Earth has lost this ability entirely. This is Musa acuminata, the Cavendish banana. Botanically, it is not a tree, it is the world's largest herb. And genetically, it is a mutant. A wild banana is a diploid organism full of rock-hard seeds, but the banana you eat is a triploid. It has 3 sets of chromosomes. This genetic imbalance causes the seeds to abort before they develop, leaving only the tiny black specks you see in the center. It is a biological dead end, a sterile clone that exists only because humans keep it on life support. To the naked eye, it is just nature, but look closer. It is engineering, it is economics, it is survival. Welcome to the hidden side of biology. This is modern botany. In a natural forest, genetic diversity is the shield against disease. If a pathogen kills one tree, its neighbor might have a mutation that saves it. But in a banana plantation, that shield does not exist. Every single export banana is a genetic photocopy of the first Cavendish discovered in the 1800s. They are all twins. This means that if a fungus learns how to kill one plant, it instantly learns how to kill them all. We have created a monoculture of billions of identical targets, waiting for a predator. And the predator has arrived. It is not a bug or a virus. It is a soil-borne fungus, Fusarium oxysporum F.sp.cubensis, specifically the strain tropical race 4. This organism is a master of siege warfare. It enters through the roots and invades the xylem, the plant's water transport system. Once inside, it clogs the vascular tissue. The plant tries to defend itself by producing gels and gums, but this only accelerates the blockage. The leaves turn yellow and collapse, a symptom called Panama wilt. The plant dies of thirst, strangled from the inside by its own defense mechanism. What makes Fusarium truly terrifying is its persistence. It produces survival structures called chlamydospores. These spores can remain dormant in the soil for decades, waiting for a host. You cannot just spray it away. Fungicides do not work. A single muddy boot, a dirty tire, or a contaminated machete can transfer the spores to a new continent. Once it is in the soil, the land is cursed. You can never grow Cavendish bananas there again. The era of the Cavendish is ending. The only hope lies in rewriting its DNA using tools like CRISPR, forcing evolution onto a plant that cannot evolve itself. It is a race between human engineering and fungal biology. And right now, the fungus is winning.